right, another update for SoFi. We have to break down the charts as we are slightly in the red right now, and every index for the most part is in the red as well. So we have to break down the charts and go over some news regarding SoFi's premium membership, what benefits it includes, right? Overall, how it provides value to the customer. But first, guys, before we dive into that, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're so close to 50,000 subs, guys. We're like, what, 15, 20 subs away. So make sure to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and you deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stotsurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, let's get into it. So SoFi is down about 2% on the day right now, trading at $14.80 as every index, like I said, for the most part, is in the red as well. The Russell's down about 0.75%. The S&P's down about 0.25%, roughly, as QQQ's down 0.5%, and the Dow is pretty much at break even with the VIX up over 2%. Not the worst day, but it is a red day nonetheless here, guys. And SoFi is continuing the little sell-off that we've seen. Now that we're at $14.82, we're officially almost down about $4 from the highs here, or about 20%. We're actually not in a bear market yet, guys. We're down about 19.5% from the recent high, which puts us right on the cusp, but not quite in a bear market, at least as of now. And we can see on this time frame here, folks, we are still in a wedge. Do you guys see how we're making these higher lows, but at the same time, lower highs? You guys see it right here. Higher lows, lower highs. We do have a death cross that is worth mentioning. We are pushing now to the bottom of the wedge here, but not fully, obviously, breaking through it. Breaking under it, which is what the bears want, right? But we're not seeing that now, and obviously we're not breaking out either. So it's a waiting game to see what direction we pick. As of now, again, we do have a death cross, and we're down over 2% here on the day so far, as we're about halfway through the trading day. So let's break down SoFi Plus Premium, SoFi's Plus Premium membership here, which now offers over $1,000 in annual value. Let me show you this, guys. Break down the product a little more here, kind of the value it brings to the customers. Let me pop this up. And by the way, while I do this, make sure to sign up to my email list. It's free, and I send out my top stocks weekly right to your email. All you guys have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link right down below. So SoFi's Plus Premium membership, like I said, now offers over $1,000 in annual value. And I could, I guess, play this video. Maybe I'll do that. The audio is not going to come through. Maybe I'll do that in another video, but we'll read about it. And see what's going on. They announced more than 8 new benefits to SoFi Plus, offering their members, again, over $1,000 in annual value. SoFi Plus, which, if you guys didn't know, is the company's premium financial membership, now offers exclusive access to preferred pricing on products and services, complimentary financial planning, rewards, and special events. And SoFi members can unlock SoFi Plus for just $10 a month, or at no cost with direct deposit, no minimum balance required. And to celebrate the launch, SoFi has launched the Power of Plus Sweepstakes, where both new and existing SoFi Plus members can enter for a chance to win one of 6 of America's top financial ambitions, right? And let's see here. Is this Noto? Yeah, Noto said, With the new offerings from SoFi Plus, SoFi has created America's most rewarding financial membership, one that's more than just about products and services. It's about empowering our members to realize their ambitions. SoFi Plus now delivers the strongest suite of premium benefits designed to meet our members where they are and help them get their money right, which I love it. SoFi is all about that. I'm all about that. I'm all for that message. Get your money right. And Noto said, we're giving our members unmatched access to the resources they need to confidently shape their financial futures. Very good news here, guys. And just look at these new benefits and preferred pricing for SoFi Plus members. You guys can see here, I'll read through these quickly. Unlimited 1% invest rewards match. Members with a recurring SoFi invest deposit enjoy an unlimited 1% match paid in rewards points, guys, which is huge. I've personally never heard of something like that. And they have unlimited one-on-one financial planning. Members can schedule unlimited appointments with financial planners at no cost, valued at $250 per session. And get this, you get a $1,000 discount on home loan closing. When approved for a SoFi home loan mortgage, members can enjoy a $1,000 discount at the closing of their eligible home loan on top of the already competitive rates they receive from SoFi. That's massive, guys, and there's more here, man. There's more. Oh, wait, there's more. Student loan refinance exclusive rate. Members receive an exclusive discounted rate on new student loan refinances, and you also get 3% cash back on hotels with SoFi Travel, of course, powered by Expedia. You got the SoFi Plus experiences. Members receive exclusive access to VIP events and pro sports games, concerts, and live experiences at the SoFi Stadium, TGL, and more. And on top of that, the cherry on top here, guys, enhanced savings on Hello Privacy and Trust and Will. Members receive a 50% discount on Hello Privacy's tools to protect members' data and remove their information from risky sites, as well as a $200 discount for a trust, making it easier for members to plan for their future with confidence. And on top of that, SoFi Plus members will continue to benefit from these exclusive benefits. We can see them right here. Their best APY earned 3.8% APY on their SoFi savings and vault balances, right? Preferred IPO allocations. Members with a SoFi Invest brokerage account can receive priority IPO allocations, providing members with access to IPOs before they're traded on the public market, which is a perk that has historically been reserved for high net worth individuals. Guys, that is huge there. And their credit card cash back boost, a 10% boost on members' SoFi credit card cash back rewards rate. That's up to 3.3% cash back rewards. Guys, there's a lot. And the Power of Plus sweepstake will fund 6 of America's most desired ambitions. Looks like here, on top of that, SoFi Plus members can enter to win. Wow, this is huge, guys. So it looks like people are going to be winning some big things here. A new home. They can win a new home, $400,000 towards purchasing a home, $70,000 to pay down student debt, early retirement as well. You guys see these different things. Members can win, receive the maximum IRA contribution of $7,000 per year for 5 years, dream vacation, $35,000 to fund a well-deserved vacation. I mean, guys, $35,000 for a vacation. That is unreal. I mean, think about where you can go for $35,000 and how long you can go there, or you can go somewhere for a week and blow all that $35,000. I'm sure you can do it. Also, you can win a wedding, $35,000 for a wedding, and an all-expense-paid trip to an epic sporting event, $25,000 to put towards watching the best athletes on the court, or maybe the field. I don't know why it says court. What if you want to go to a football game? Hey, either way, this is nuts. This is nuts, right? And really, the main new benefits are the ones that we mentioned up here. But either way, man, there's a lot of incentive here to join the Plus membership. So much incentive. It's insane. So there you have it. That's the big news here, guys. And SoFi is selling off a little bit here, which in the short term, who really cares, right? Because long term, the value that they're bringing to customers, right, with all these new benefits, man, the value ultimately will be realized. It's already been realized in the stock price, but it's going to continue to be realized as the product gets better, more users, more revenue, more profits get generated, the whole 9 yards. So SoFi continues to do a great job with their products, adding more benefits, and I'm all here for it as an investor. And yeah, we're eyeing it up. We're eyeing it up here in the short term. We'll see how it goes. But overall, long term, guys, I'm holding on. I'm still bullish. I own shares. I think my average cost is like $7-8 now because I bought more recently. But either way, man, SoFi, I'm long. And I want to know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know down below. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and you deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.